monkey swinging tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Monkey Mr. Alligator cried out to me, and he snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 4 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Monkey Mr. Alligator, cried out to me, and he snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 3 little monkeys swinging that tree, swinging in the tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Monkey Mr. Alligator, cried out to me, and snap that monkey right out of that tree. 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree. But teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, right out to me, and he snapped that monkey right out of that tree. 1 little monkey swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator,
Quiet
as can be, and he snapped that monkey right out of that tree.
How many monkeys left?
0.
Woo woo!